dudhi is cut in smaller pieces, then potato, then beans, capsicum, green one, yellow one and red one, green chilies and a few carrots, bibbo, coconut milk. This is coconut oil and in that we put some mustard, we put some curry patta and then some jeera and some haldi. 3 spoons of coconut oil and same here 3 spoons of mustard, little bit of jeera, about 3 spoons with a small spoon, then curry patta, haldi and put 2 spoons of haldi. Of the coconut milk. Boil it and cover it and leave it for some more time.